Welcome to the future of maintenance management with Cryotos. Latest feature designed to boost your efficiency with the dashboard custom option. In the different type of status, work in progress, closed, incomplete and overdues, we have the deep link options to see the particular informations of that closed status. Here we have an custom column option where we can order the columns as per our needed. This can be done for myself, that is for the particular account or for the whole organization. We can organize the columns as per our requirements and we can create our own custom columns in the dashboard deep link pages.